Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to go over the EDC toolkit that I put together and I carry with me every day for small tasks that will get me by. It's a kit that'll get me by in a pinch if I'm out somewhere and I don't have tools with me. And I just got a new car, so I haven't put any tools in there. So if I'm out and about and I gotta have tools, this is the kit that I use. So, all right, let me get this camera flipped around and I'll show you what I got going on. All right, guys. Well, here it is. This is just a double pouch that I've had just laying around. So here I keep a little flashlight. Just a Rayvac cheap flashlight that I've had for a very long time. It runs on 2 AAA batteries. I have a locking flex head Mac 1/4 inch ratchet driver that I've had for God knows how long. Then I have this bit extender that I made to fit into my Leatherman Wave so I could run, standard 1/4 inch bits. But now that, hold on one second, that I got the Surge, open it up here, and I'll show you what I'm talking. It does not fit into the bit adapter for whatever reason. I don't know why, but it will not fit. I don't know if the one for my Wave was bent or something, or the dimensions are different. I don't think the dimensions would be different because I can interchange these proprietary bits from Leatherman for, in between the Wave and the Surge. So I think the Wave adapter was just bent. So I'm going to have to remodify this to fit into my Surge that I just got. But I also, in this pouch, I also keep a little 4-inch Crescent brand adjustable wrench, Crescent wrench, that I bought at Home Depot quite a few years ago. Then I keep, these are hard to get out of here, some metric nut drivers. It goes from, what is it here, 4mm all the way up to 12mm. I don't think it skips any either. So we got 4, 5, 5.5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, does that one. It goes from 4 to 12mm without skips. And they're a Black & Decker brand that I've had for a long time. But I use this kit at my job. I'm an automotive mechanic for a Hyundai and Subaru dealership, working on Japanese and Korean cars, and they all use metric fasteners. And I use this kit for, this kit's just to use in a pinch. It's not something that I grab for every job. It stays in my pocket. And like, let's just say the other day I had to go out into the parking lot and put a BIU and a combination meter in a Subaru to program a key. Then I had to wait for the key. So instead of toting, a bunch of tools out there to do this, the only thing I had to do was tote the parts out with me, and I replaced all of that with, the tools that I carried in my pocket. At the time, I did not have the Surge. I had the Wave. So, but I used the Wave along with this stuff to replace the BIU and the combination meter in a Subaru Forester. I think it was a Forester. I might have said Outback. I don't know. But I do know it was a Forester. So, well, yeah, there is my EDC toolkit that I put together to carry every single day. Eventually, I would like to get a different pouch or modify this pouch, like cutting it in half, because I only use this side here. Now that I don't carry the Wave, when I carried the Wave, I used to carry it in here along with my rebar that I carried on my side. But now that I have the Surge, my Surge is my only multi-tool that I carry now. So it stays on, you know, my side with the pouch that it come with. Here pretty soon I'm going to be uploading a video of my review of the Leatherman Surge and my thoughts on it. I'm not going to get into that today. But yeah, back to this pouch. I would like to upgrade it or modify it to just a smaller pouch, because I don't need that to fit this, you know what I mean, both sides to fit all this stuff. I would like to have, you know, a pouch, you know, from here, maybe just a little bit bigger, because it's hard to get these nut drivers and stuff out of the pouch. But I mean, other than that, that's really the only complaint that I have about this pouch. Now, maybe I could add, you know, leave this there and add something else that I find, I mean, that I might need. But I mean, as of right now, I don't need anything else other than, you know, this stuff. There's just a small kit that I put together to keep with me. Now, the other day, I did need to grab a couple of things working on my mower, because mowers are all standard stuff. They're all, sorry about that. Mowers and weed eaters and stuff are standard, not metric. So I did have to grab this, which also has standard and metric, but I used the standard stuff for the mower. But I didn't really need. But I just don't need to carry this stuff every day. And usually when I'm working on, you know, a mower or something like that, I'm here in the building. Or, you know, at the house or something where I have standard tools. But yeah, that's all I got, you know, for you guys on this video. Stay tuned for the next video when I upload my review of the Leatherman Surge and my thoughts and opinions on it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you have not already, hit that like and subscribe button and hit that notification bell. That way you guys get notified when I put out a new video. Alright, take care guys.